Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to our drive southbound, along Interstate 77 in North Carolina, traveling through a region rich in history and natural beauty. Our journey takes us through the heart of the Piedmont region, a large area in North Carolina known for its rolling hills and fertile farmland. This part of the state has been home to Native American tribes for thousands of years, and as European settlers arrived, they found the land perfect for farming, especially tobacco, cotton, and corn. The Interstate 77 highway itself follows an important route that has connected communities throughout North Carolina for many years. This area has seen a lot of growth over the years, as it serves as a major route for travelers heading north to Virginia, or south to South Carolina. As we drive, you might notice the landscape change, from the rural farmland to more developed areas as we approach the towns along the way. Small towns, with their cozy shops and historic buildings, dot the landscape, offering a glimpse of the state's rich heritage. This region has a deep connection to both the railroad and farming industries, which helped shape its development. Cities and towns grew around transportation hubs and agricultural centers, and the people here have a strong sense of pride in their history. The towns we pass through along I-77 are known for their welcoming communities and historical significance, from the time of early American settlers to today's modern culture. As we continue south, we'll be moving through an area that offers the perfect mix of rural charm, historical depth, and modern growth, showcasing the true spirit of North Carolina.
watching!